Whenever life seems too hard, whenever you face with challenges that seem impossible, seem too difficult, you just remember this. Don't quit. Don't give up. Keep pushing. That's what's gonna separate you from the rest. Can you keep pushing? Can you keep moving forward when things seem impossible? That's what's gonna determine your strength. That's what determines your character. You know, people look at winners as you got first place, you got money, you got success. But you know what I see as a winner is a person that ain't got money. They don't have success. They living a very hard life, but they not giving up. That's a winner for me. So be that. Keep pushing forward. Keep trying to do your best. Don't let nothing stop you. When you face with your challenges, try to find solutions. Don't let this life defeat you. And if you can keep from letting this life defeat you, then nobody can defeat you. Because your heart is strong and your mind is strong. Keep pushing. I wouldn't trade my life for nothing. I wouldn't trade none of my losses. I wouldn't want to be in somebody else's shoes. I wouldn't want to live the life that somebody else had. What I want to do is take the life that I was blessed with and make it the best that I can and do the best that I can. You know, a lot of people put a whole lot of emphasis on winning, but actually, I think the most important part is the process that it takes to get there. Not just the first place, but the process that it takes to finish. So what I want to say to people out there is just create your own journey and do it for your own reasons. And hopefully that reason that you're doing it is for the love and the passion of what you're doing, you know?